Okay, taking a look at gold, we could see a little strengthening today as a follow-up to yesterday's strength. Gold hit a low of 2003.25 on Friday and then has been bouncing off of that. There is one couple things today though that did happen that we need to pay attention to. Number one is we are on track to close above the purple 20 moving average after dropping below it briefly. You can see back here it dropped below it briefly as well and then quickly rally back above it. So now we're more quickly rallying back above it, but whether that will hold remains to be seen. So, in other words, can gold stay above there and continue to rise, continue to strengthen? That remains to be seen because we have these multiple trend lines in here presenting potential short-term resistance, but more significantly, Thursday's high of 2003.84 is going to be a key level to watch because until then, the trading is occurring inside the range of that day. So this could be choppy, unreliable price behavior, and it's heading up into resistance. If resistance is seen up here and it turns back down, then the potential to test lower prices exists, including the 50 moving average here at 2003.17 and the 50% retracement of 2002.89. So we're watching this trend line here for resistance. We're watching this trend line here for resistance. At the same time, we're now watching this downtrend line here as support because you can see today it was successfully tested as support and price was rejected to the upside. Now I want to just quickly switch over to the weekly chart, and you can see the weekly chart. We have a wide range outside week last week, bearish because it closed almost at the low, and it did go below the prior week's low. So we have an outside week. That outside week, we can trade within gold could trade within that for a while before it's ready to break out of that range, and that would lead to a bunch of choppy up and down movements with bad follow through. A similar situation happened back here on this initial new high rally to 2135. You can see a sharp one-day sell-off, closed near the low, outside day, went a little lower the next day, just like, well, no, yeah, I'm weak, I'm sorry, a little low the next week, and then chopped around and went nowhere, trading within the range for most of the time, except for this 1 week right here, within this range. So we could see something like that again here, and that's what we're going to be watching for as well. That is it for gold traders. Have a great week.